Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to close S Bank of India or S Bank account. To close S Bank account, it is possible in two methods. One is online method and the second one is through offline method. First of all, we will see how to close S Bank of India account through online mode. To close S Bank of India account through online mode, you need internet banking of S Bank or mobile banking app of S Bank. In this both, you will find a service request for account closure. So you can click on that, you can fill the criteria form and your account will be closed through online. Or you can also send an email to the bank official email, or you can also contact customer care support to close your S Bank account online. So this is the online procedure. Now we will see the offline procedure to close S Bank account. To close S Bank account through offline mode, you should make your account balance to 0. There should not be any account balance, and you may visit any nearest S Bank branch and you can close your S Bank account. There should not be any dues or any loans or any outstanding balances or any services active with your account. You must close all these before closing your S Bank account. These are the required documents to close your S Bank account: passbook, unused checkbook, ATM card, valid ID card, address proof, and passport size photos. ID cards like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID card, or any government issued ID card or any PSU issued ID card. So these are the required documents to close your S Bank account through offline mode. By carrying all these originals along with your Xerox copies, you should visit any S Bank branch. After verifying your documents, the bank officials will give an account closure form, or they will ask you to write an application for closing your S Bank account. So after filling the form or writing the application, the bank manager will check all your documents and filled in application or written application, and he will process the request to close your S Bank account through offline mode. Within 3 to 15 days you will get a confirmation message that your S Bank account has successfully closed. Like this, you can close your S Bank account through online mode or offline mode.